how to push. Owl City! What did you do to me?
You made fun of my glasses.
Ayúdame! Ta-da! No, Jason should go on the monkey bar. I'll push Jason now. It's only fair. And it can flow in the wind. Ready?
Mm-hmm. I never stopped filming.
Oh. Why is pushing people so hard?
Because I'm a small ballerina.
Yeah, I made him twist.
Actually, that was me.
Oh. I give you Jason Schwartz.
Woo! Look at this. No hands. No hands.
He thinks he's kind of daring.
I live my life on the edge of the swing set.
Ooh.
Here.
That doesn't really work. Let's try it on this one. Okay, I think we have enough Owl City footage.